literally just checking in to our room. Got a family room. Got here at 11 AM and they've let us check in at about 2:30. It's one of those rooms where you have to put the key in there. Sorry if you hear Miss Rachel, it's because my son next door is a bit grumpy. There's a luggage thing there and some kind of hanging hooks for coats and things. I'll go into the bathroom. So we've got, like I said, family connecting rooms. So it's exactly the same room on the other side, just kind of mirrored, I guess. Both the keys open both our rooms, so that'll just take a bit of communication in the family, of course. Nice shower and bath there, probably be having a bath later tonight. Nice little mirror and hairdryer on there as well. Wardrobe space looks decent. I've got spare pillows in the wardrobes. A mini fridge, so have a look at that together. So that's the fridge size. Got a good few cans in there, looks nice and cold. And of course your room safe, a few shelves there. So it comes, this room so far anyway, has got 6 hangers in. Nice full length mirror there. Then that's our connecting room, so we'll just close that door for a second. This looks like a thermostat. The room is very hot, to be honest. So you've got the bunk beds there. And then good size, I think that's a king maybe, bed. Next to the, it's got the USB ports and then the French plugs obviously, and some control for these side lights. Nice little chair with a lamp, and then another mirror. Phone service. Some cups and some limited tea and I think coffee there. These windows open fully, so you know, not used to that in British hotels. That's a good thing for us, may not be a good thing for you. There, nice big TV. Just let me pause it a second, I'll have a look. So okay, so the TV kind of tilts and turns, and there you have HDMI ports. Wi-Fi so far is a little bit inconsistent, but I'm sure it'll improve. And of course over here, no USB ports, just the plug and the light switch. So yeah, plug down there, plug over there. So all in all, 4 plugs in the room. This is our family connecting room at the Dream Castle Hotel. Just for you to see. I'll try and avoid my family, but just for you to see. Exactly the same room, just mirrored. So yeah, that's the Dream Castle. The only other 2 things we thought about were, so they gave us this. We did request it. They forgot to bring it, but then we asked for it and it just came. They accidentally bought 2. Ash really liked it. My son, it's very comfortable. Yeah. The other thing was the bedding. So I accidentally got some chocolate on the bed the first day of 5 nights. And I don't know about now, but as of yesterday morning, it was still there. So the room was clean, but it had been quickly hoovered and the bed was made. The bedding wasn't changed. There's no main light, but you got enough light through the lights on the side, and there was a light over there, and there's a light over there. So would we stay here again? We stayed here before. We definitely would stay here again. I would personally recommend that you don't use the bus, especially at any time that isn't like between 1 and 4 when no one's using it, and just instead pay for a taxi. We use the Bolt app. That's what I saw on a review.
Unless it's super low times.
Yeah. It was about between 12 and 15, 16 euros for a taxi, and that was always really handy. So I'd give it an 8 out of 10. Holly?
I would give it the hotel. I give about an 8.
Yeah. And remember, I had a 10 for the hotel.
How are you doing?
Out of 10 for the hotel.
Hotel, yes, 10.
10 out of 10.
Well, the hotel's absolutely beautiful, and the breakfast's nice, but the prices of the beer is not good.
Oh yeah, £9.50 on it.
Lower in that.
Oh, that was it. Yeah, 2 apple juices, 2 orange juices, and 2 Pepsi Maxes from the bar. And it was £29.50, which is absolutely brutal. So, but lovely room, lovely TV, really comfortable bed. Thumbs up. So here are some other things that I noticed about the hotel. There's an LG TV. We've had our Fire Stick plugged in the entire time, and the Wi-Fi has dealt with it really well. We've had no issues at all. Let's turn the volume down there. So remote control, pretty straightforward. This comes up all the time to kind of tell you, you know, like information, to give you. You can change the language if you wish to, like that. You know, you can get the TV to turn on. It gives you a guide into the remote control. So you've got weather. Slow weather, but weather all the same. So they do have kind of limited British channels. Just press guide here. So these are the channels. So TF1, France 2, F3 Paris, Canal Plus, France 5. A lot of channels I've never heard of before. They're all French, obviously. Keep going down. French channels. Continue to be French channels. More French channels. I'll just skim through these. So plenty of French channels. There was some limited British ones there. Let me see. Kind of international news and Al Jazeera, Dubai Sport, BBC World, CNN, CNBC. Excuse my son there. Fashion TV if you're into your international. BBC 4. Is that even a channel anymore? BBC 2, Channel 4, ITV. So they do have also plenty of British channels for you to be getting on with. I'm not sure if they work. We'll find out. No, they do. So while we watch the Fire Stick, you'll have plenty to get on with if you don't have one. The safe is pretty standard. You just, there's a code there. Just press lock. Set your own code and off you go. Storage space was okay. We missed, you know, some shelves. Fridge size was very good. Excuse the paper there. Had a bunch of drinks in it. You know, I'm pretty sure it's a drinks cooler. There's a bit of limited storage there, but nice touch. What else did we notice? So the shower gel brand is apparently called Fabulous Hotel Group. The heating controls. So there is this in your room. You can heat this in your room. We tried to turn it down because the room is boiling hot. One of the main issues with the hotel is that it's been way too hot. When I went to ask about it in reception, they said there is no cooling system and the heating is centralized. You can open your window like that, so like a jar safely, or you can open it like that. But if you're on the ground floor like we are, just obviously be aware that people can just walk out and walk right up to your room. Okay, so on our last day, I thought it might be handy to film while it's a bit quiet, so let's do this. Multi-fruit, orange and apple juice. They've got coffees and cappuccinos and stuff, teas, cereal, pastries, popcorn, fruit salad, yogurt, compots and stuff, cheeses, brie, ham, salad, bacon, red beans. Well, what were they? Veal and poultry sausages, they were. Never looked cooked ones, to be honest. Potatoes, Cantonese rice, weird tomato thing. More pastries, bread, toaster machine, homemade prunes cake, yeah. Then into more drinks machines. Boom. Some things for the hotel. For the shuttle at those times. Tell you about it, it comes out there. Always be heaving. Not a nice experience. Then they have a shop. In those times, they just sell kind of souvenirs and food and stuff. Mum said there was wine here. There it is. And they've got drinks and stuff in the fridge. $3.50 for a can there. So yeah. Postcards. And this is the lobby area. Lots of seating, to be fair to them. Then this is the arcade. Very limited. Lift over there. Our security door, no, I haven't got a key card with me. But as you can see, our security door never locks. Never. So not so much of a security door as it is just a door. You can hear people during the day. Obviously it's it's kids. That's the only other thing. If you have a look at this, like the doors, you need to be careful because that's open. Now obviously I'm not going to walk in. I don't know if someone's in there or not, but you could. Yeah, no one comes to Disney for quiet ultimately. So is there a bit of noise? Yes. Is that to be expected? Also yes.